Okay, so I got this so that I could store my fruit and save money. However, the seal like never like it never hooks onto the top. So like it makes it impossible to close. And like I've even tried one without, and you can't get all, like I've done this two-handed, I've done this, it's just absolutely ridiculous, a complete waste of money.
Okay, so here is my baby spinach that I took out of the package because I don't like those packages, and I rinse it really well, and I don't want to touch it too much because my hands aren't clean, but this has been in here 3 days, and it's, you see there is some moisture on the lid there. Here's the mushrooms, little moisture. Of course I have a paper towel in there. Here are Brussels sprouts, little moisture. See, even though I let them dry 100%, they do get enough moisture to not dry out completely.
My fruit in these containers, it has probably lasted twice as long as it normally does. Every container comes with the bottom piece, and then you also have the mesh part that goes inside, and then you have this tack that snaps everything shut. These are the bigger ones, but the smaller ones fit perfectly in my produce drawers.
Another Amazon find, these containers allow you to rinse out your fruit and it keeps them fresh longer, and they are put in a reusable Tupperware and then you close them, voila.